What's happening, guys? Looks like we are live now. How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, welcome to another episode of Straight TV, baby. How are you? What is up? So, the title of the video is 100,000 Bitcoin. Yes, 100K. You'll be like, Stray, what are you smoking? What are you smoking, brother? I am not smoking anything. See, if we don't move up right now, here comes a really bearish scenario. You know why? I'll tell you that if Bitcoin doesn't move right now, it will not be able to reach its all-time high for a long time. You know, not 2025, not 2026, not 2027. If we don't move up, you know, Bitcoin's going down, okay? And, okay, we'll go over everything. Why I am so sure that Bitcoin will have this higher push, all right? Where we are here, see, this is what I speculate, okay? That if we don't cross 30,000 right now, there will be a scenario if Bitcoin has to come close to 70,000 or 100,000. It has to move right now, or else it won't be able to, because it'll get stuck in this $40,000 price range, in this range right here. If it does not move, max I would expect Bitcoin to reach is somewhere around $44,000 or $45,000. If that scenario comes into fruition, then this is what I expect from Bitcoin. Another lower low. We go up gradually and slowly, like dragging our asses up, you know, have dumps come up. We go to 44, maybe $45,000, $46,000, waste time, and then take a dump from there. Make a lower low, right? That's how I expect it to play out if Bitcoin doesn't show strength right now. Bitcoin has to show the world that what it's made of right now. So next 1 month is very critical to see what Bitcoin does. And I do expect that Bitcoin's gonna blow every bear's mind. We are not only going to pass $30,000, we will cross 30,000 and probably reach $35,000 to $37,000. Or else Bitcoin, you know, will be going down, and the cycle that I'm expecting, if Bitcoin doesn't go up at the right time, you know, it'll be something like this. We go back up, you know, go sideways for a long time, you know, and just, you know, Bitcoin would not make an all-time high for a long time. Something like this. Ridiculous, you know, sideways movement. If Bitcoin does not cross that $30,000 mark within next 1 month, that is 4 weeks, okay? 4 weeks, Bitcoin should be over $30,000. Or, you know, this comes into fruition, that will not be nice. That will not be nice. You know, if this happens, if the slow move happens, then I will be taking profits in this range between 45, 44, 45. This is where I would take my profits, because there's a strong chance it goes up to this 44, 45 level and comes back down for another low, right? And it will be ugly, and I don't want to be any part of it. So Bitcoin right now, I expect it to move up like this, ferociously, just like the way Bitcoin came down. I want Bitcoin to move up just like this, just like the way what we did here, just reverse of that. We do from here onwards. This is what I expect.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess.
That's how we reach 100,000. Go ferociously up between, I would say, 35 to 37, pushing it $40,000. Have some sort of correction, consolidation, hit 50, 51, have a big correction there, and from there go to $100,000. In between, we might have a stop at 70. I would say somewhere around 70 to 75, $78,000. Yep. but this is how I expect. If we don't go out, push higher right now, there's a strong possibility that Bitcoin could be stuck and we might just go make $44,000-$45,000. So it's good. You know, while Bitcoin goes up, there is a possibility that altcoins can dump, because at this level of strength, if Bitcoin has to show, the Bitcoin dominance has to go up considerably. And you know what happens when Bitcoin dominance goes up? Altcoins go down, right? So if I'm seeing Bitcoin strength at $37,000, that means Bitcoin dominance is going to go exponentially high. And we will see. You know, it'll be a cat and mouse game. But meanwhile, while we are just not sure what we are going to do, meanwhile this is happening, altcoins are going to pump, right? Meanwhile, Bitcoin is making a decision to go up. Altcoins should pump during this area within next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You know, this is the time that I think I'll be taking profits from some of my alts. If it has, you know, gone up 150, 200, 300%, then I will be taking some profits in some of my trades, because I do expect Bitcoin to hit at some point to $35,000, right? And when that happens, alts are going to take a big hit. How are you? How's everyone? Blake, can you guys hear me properly now? We had issues with the stream before, because when I watch all my streams on my desktop and the volume was perfect, everything was good. But when I watched it on my phone, because somebody commented, thanks for letting me know, the guy from Germany, he told me that only had single speaker working. So I had to fix my software. I did it, and now it should work. Blake, how are you? Thanks, Shrey. Anytime. William. Hi, Shrey. How are you, Bill? Ned, Shrey TV, baby. What's up? Sean Young. Shrey TV, baby. How are you, brother? Good, good, man. Hardik, how are you, Shrey, brother? What's up? Good, man. Good. Manan, what are your thoughts on Dent? I will go over, brother. Loud and clear, brother. Good, good. Sounds good, William. Sounds good. Okay, let me have a sip of coffee. You know, it was so messed up. Last night in the morning, I woke up. I was dreaming about Andrew Tate, and I'm in the courtroom, and Andrew Tate is on trial, right? And you know, I am talking to like I'm his lawyer or somebody. You know, I'm talking to, you know, the judge and everybody. And I was like, this bitch is lying. It's messed up. It's messed up. I woke up and I was like talking to myself. Sometimes I sleep talk, and I realized I was sleep talking, but I remember that dream. I was like, this is so messed up. Why am I dreaming about Andrew Tate? Messed up. Anyways, so let's see what is pumping. Okay, Ethereum back to 1700, Bitcoin 24,774. Gainers, let's see, what is HOPR? Hopper. Alchemy Pay, I posted chart on the Patreon for Alchemy Pay. I hope you guys, you know, in the Patreon kept an eye on Alchemy Pay. It was posted, I think, August or July, which was the bottom, I feel, for Alchemy Pay. Let's take a look at Alchemy Pay right now. ACH. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What did I say here? Look in the chart. Look at this. My scribble. Do you see my scribble right here? And going up. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that precision, baby. Yeah, man. Love it. Look at that. I posted this on my Patreon. So, yeah, man. This thing's riding. This was the bottom. I think I posted in August or something like that that this would go down probably at this point and go up. So, yep. This is a good project. It has partnerships with Visa. Let's look at it fresh. It'll have a tough time to break this, I think. It's gonna have a tough time to break this. So I think we consolidate from here. That's it. There'll be a good time to take profits right here, where Alchemy pay. Again, guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet, okay? Who is awesome. Awesome. I love self-love. The moment we broke out of this, this is it. So how much did we pump? The question is from the bottom. Okay, 478% pump. Yeah, man. That's amazing. Amazing. A lot of coins are gonna pump like this, okay? So don't be disheartened. Like if you have missed out on a pump on Alchemy, keep an eye on Zilliqa. Here, this baby is ready to explode, okay? I mentioned in my Zilliqa video 2-3 days ago that we might get this retest of this channel. Retest of this channel like that. And the retest is complete now. And we are ready to go up. This thing will not stop. It'll go 150, 200% until it takes a breather. Okay? You will see a green dildo. Long one. Long. Okay? A big one. So just keep your eyes on Zilliqa. You don't want to miss that pump. Okay? It'll be a quick trade. Somebody wants to make it double. It's a perfect time, you know, right now, just before it's about to take off. Let's look at H. What is that? H-POR? H-O-P-R. Hopper, right? I don't know. I'm not very convinced with this pump. Is it a legit pump? Let's look at a weekly on. This is Hopper against Bitcoin. Is it ready? The question is it ready? Yeah, it looks ready to me. It looks ready to me. This could be it. How much did it go down? Charts are not legit. This thing pumps. Let me look at the dollar chart, okay? Get a better idea. 97%. Yeah, it's I would say a good retracement. What I like is when I see the first pump, usually I don't like. When it pumps, usually it comes back down 95% of the time. So, and I'm not sure if it's done going down yet, right? It could possibly make it, you know. So I feel confirmed that this thing is done you know, somewhere here. Or if it stops here and gives me a confirmation that the bull run for Hopper has begun by going up a little bit, then consolidating right there, you know, and then making a higher high like that. So I'll be skeptical about this pump. I don't want to get right when a bull market's about to start. I don't want to get into coin that I'm not sure about. So, but this is where you make profits, you know, all your gains come from taking risk as well. So this could possibly, you know, pump to this level. If it wants to destroy everything out there, it could pump to 50, between 50 to 70 cents, 50 to 70 cents, you know, crazy. 50 to 70 cents like that. Then come back down like that. Retrace the whole move. But that would be, imagine how much it would be. Let's say almost 500% pump. Crazy. But let's see what else. What else? Polka Starter, High Street, IDEX. Let me see what's interesting to me here. It has an Horizon. I have some Horizon. Bought it $3,000 worth. Horizon. Long back. I have never looked. It's in some wallet. Bought it, you know. Didn't buy it too expensive. But it's at the same price that I bought it for right now. I never looked at it because it was such a low amount. But I bought it somewhere around here. Right here. Around 10 cents. 10. And it went down. And then I had this whole nice run with Horizon. So if this thing runs right now, it's going to be massive. Okay, guys? If this thing runs, it's going to be massive. Horizon. It's going to this level, you know, $400 some. Okay? $400 some. Horizon. Usually when they retrace this much and they stop here, they go up higher to at least 618. It would go to 618. That would be I'm being modest when I say it'll go to 400. It could go way higher than that. That is this channel that I have here for Horizon. You know, this channel right there. If it breaks out of this channel, we could be hitting, you know, $1,000. Again, I like to be modest. Let's look at this one, 618. 618 here would be, yeah. You know, let's be modest and do a 618. Yeah, $400. Yeah, 618. And the chart's saying that is possible. So from now until somewhere in 2024, we could be hitting $400. Right now it's $14. That is 14 to 400. Yeah, 27x. 27x. Not bad, you know. I have $3,000 in it. So what would that make it? Yeah. No biggie, but this looks good. Horizon, again, it's a what is it? It's just like a payment crypto, but you can chat on it and have encrypted chat and all that stuff. It's pretty good and really low market cap as well. Horizon. This could be $193 million. Max supply only 21 million, just like Bitcoin. Imagine buying Bitcoin at $14, right? This has $21 million And a lot of people think Bitcoin is the only thing. The real cryptocurrency, which is going to take over the world, is not probably even invented, I feel. And something, think about Nokia, think about Motorola. Those were the phones, and Nokia, everybody in Asia, when I was in India, when I went to London, everybody used Nokia. Nobody knew about Samsung. Nobody knew about Apple. They were non-existent almost. Nokia, BlackBerry, Motorola were the phones. So it's not always. Technology evolves. And just like that, I believe crypto will evolve, and we might not have the best crypto out there. So right now it's good for trading and making money. But that's why I bought some, $3,000. Let's just put it in there. You don't know, this is the first cycle for Horizon. So you don't know where it goes, because any crypto or any asset that I have studied, when it goes through a long consolidation like that, it usually pumps really high. This will be like a minuscule, small thing in the future. If I look at it, if I just keep this, it's possible that it does something like this. It goes back up, It does something like that. Okay. So in the future, this could be sitting at $10,000. You don't know, right? So if you look at XRP, let me show you. XRP. It takes time, but see. See the kind of consolidation. Imagine this is Horizon, and you are in Horizon right now, and you'd be like, this damn thing never went up such a long time, right? Imagine this was Horizon, and you are so frustrated by this time that all these years you didn't make any profit, right? And then suddenly this happens. Look at that, right? So that's what I think could happen to Horizon right here. See, it just got done with its triangle pattern. It retraced the whole move, but it could skyrocket, right? Horizon could skyrocket. So never know. So I have a bag. I shouldn't say a bag. $3,000 worth. Well, because of the pump, it might be a little more. Probably $5,000 worth Horizon. But yeah, I think this cycle now, Horizon will have a very good cycle. It'll have a good cycle. I was being modest when I say $400, just to be conservative, but there might be a correction here and then move up, right? Only 21 million supply. Shrey's personal cocksucker. Hey, bro. Stop it, man. William, have you looked at Bluezell or Vitho lately? No, I haven't looked at Vitho. Once I'm out, why should I look at it, bro? I'm out of Vitho. I'm out of Bluezell. BCH moving, SLP above. Okay, BCH is moving. I realized BCH. I have BCH. My barber saw Bitcoin at $13 and didn't buy because he thought it was a scam. I think I told you this before. Yes, free. You told me this. Roger Pearson, thanks, Shrey, for your fantastic hard work. Even if India trashed Australia. Oh, they did. Okay, I haven't keeping track with the test match, man. I'm not into test cricket. If they curse each other, there's a fight, and this is what I like. Now cricketers are very decent because they are friends with each other because of the IPL game, because they know each other really well. So I don't think the rivalry is there. So, well, they need to bring that cursing and sledging back to the game. then I would watch test. But yeah, I will watch the highlights. I'll watch the highlights. Somebody must have played well, right? I like the Australian team. The only cricket I like to watch is Australia and India. And sometimes, if it's a T20, then Pakistan and India cricket game, because it's pretty exciting. Bitcoin Jason, good day, mate. Good day, brother. Okay, let's look at what Bill wanted. Bill wanted Vitho, and what was the other one? Bill is my Patreon and my friend. Where did that comment go, Bill? Vitho, Bluezell. Okay, let's look at Bluezell. 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 Am I incorrect spelling? What is it? B-L-U-Z. B-L-U-Z. Okay, there's no E. Oh man, this is coiling. This is coiling. This is ready. Bill, Bluezell is ready. Look at that coiling, bro. Looks ready to me. Looks ready. Look at that. Can you see it? Here. I think we might have a breakout, bro. We might have a breakout here. That pump's gonna be massive. I hope it just don't jerk us around and have a half-ass pump like that. You know, come to this level, come back down, and then we get this massive pump for Bluezell. There will be a time, it's possible that we might do this half-ass pump and then you get this massive pump, but when the time comes, this pump's going to be massive with Bluezell. Massive. Past this level, probably. Past this level right there. So that would make the pump. Yeah, probably you could go new all-time high, create a new all-time high even with Bitcoin, okay? It could go this level. Charts are pointing out towards that. Usually the wicks go way higher than anticipated, right? So at some point this will pump. Let's look at the dollar chart.
Faces merchant change, but your face remain the same. The sorrows will be in our dawn. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt.
I'm just not happy with how. I'm not really happy with the dump yet. Okay, I didn't feel. Usually what happens is you dump good, right? You know, not half-ass. You just go dump and finish this, come back down to this level, and then you have this massive cycle like that. So I'm not just, I've seen really rare that a crypto stops here, but sometimes it stops, right here. So a proper dump would be this. Bluezell coming down to this level right here. That would, because we retested all the levels. If it comes down here, it would never come back down again to that level. But just because it didn't come back down, what could happen? It always comes at some point and comes and kiss this level. So what could happen is we might just go up from here.
Finally sober, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and eyes will melt.
618.
But your face remain the same.
Do this. Just
But your face remain the same.
go up and then come back down all the way down to this level before a full cycle for blue Zell starts. You know, like this could possibly happen just because we didn't come back down to this level. It could go all the way to $2 something and come back down for a retest of this level. Several assets I have seen that, because right now we could be waiting that it will come back down to this level and it might not come back down. They'll be like, hey, flip us and just go up right from here and then come back down. But we'll see. Let's do a close review. Anything I review like on the go, that means I have not put in that much effort into it, right? It takes me a while to study charts. It has taken me 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, to study charts. So it takes a long time. A lot of people think that, hey, this guy comes online and does the charts like this, and how come he knows? No, there's years of and hours and hours of time goes into charting. When I come online right here, it's good. You can just get an idea. When I look at the chart, I know if I'm bullish or not, right? But it's not thorough. I put my thorough charts on my Patreon. This is where I spend a lot of time, 10 to 14 hours every day. And when I'm like really sure about something that I have a gut feeling and good analytics, then I put it on my Patreon. Important level, man, that we need to break this level right here. Will it be able to break it? If we are not able to make another higher high, if we go lower than this, then it could come to our point which we were expecting, right? If it goes just to 17 cents, it can still come back down and make that lower low that we were expecting. Okay, just keep that in mind. This move, it looks like it's gonna make a higher high. If it doesn't stop here, bro, we could go to this 24-cent level. Yeah, 23, 24 cent. Possible. That will be a breakout. We get out of this. That will be bullish AF. If we get out of this, come to between 23 to 25 cents and come back down for a retest of this channel. Right? Do a retest of this channel and then go up. Right? That'll be fantastic. So there will be some sort of stop here. Blue Zell's recovering pretty good, man. Pretty good. How much did it go down? What did it go down? 92%. It's okay. Ned, any thoughts on China doing quantitative easing and stimulating 96 billion into the markets and assets, buying while all Westerners are in fear, essentially? Yeah, man. The news comes later, bro. I've been bullish for a long time. If you've been watching this channel, I've been bullish. I've been telling my Patreon for a long time that the bottom was in, long time. But the thing is, psychologically, we are so torn. Like, we are so disheartened. We have lost our courage. We are like, this shit is done. I'm done with crypto, right? A lot of mentally people are out. They have started working. They're not looking at their portfolio because there's nothing left in their portfolio, right? Something, which went to $100,000. Their portfolio, $100,000 now sits at $5,000 and $10,000. And they're looking at it. They're like, fuck this shit. I don't want to look at it, right? So their interest is gone. But imagine that was the time when your portfolio was $5,000, $10,000 to go all in, chips. This is how you become a multi-millionaire successful. That's, again, everybody has a different fear tolerance, so I have a high tolerance. I can see my shit go to zero, I feel angry just like any other person, but I doubled down. I'm a risk taker, man. I would sell my car. I was like, fuck this, I would go all in if I go broke, but that's the gambling mentality. But you have to have that belief system. Just because I do charts and technical analysis, I feel sure about this, right? An average person doesn't know, right? So I can understand. That's how I used to feel, because it's my hard-earned money. It takes a long time to save money, years sometimes to save money, because the way the grid is set up is that you are never able to save. You make at one end and give out the money in the mortgage, car payments, health insurance, car insurance. The money goes out, right? You never save. So it's, if you're able to beat the system and save some money, and you put your money into crypto and that shit goes to 99% down, you get angry, right? But that's how it is, bro. If you like to see that thing 10x, 10 times your money, 20 times your money, so you have to have that guts to see your money go down 99%. And it's possible. It may go down 99%. Things go to 99.95%. What was that crypto? Just recently I saw one crypto. It went down 99.95%. 99.95. I think it was Siren or something. What was it? There are many cryptos that have seen 99.95%. You think 99% we are done, and you put $10,000. That this shit is down 99%, and it goes another 90% down from there. So you put $100,000, it goes to $10,000 at 99%. So no one can say exactly that this is the bottom, but you feel comfortable at some stage. This crypto I was looking at today. Look at that dump. I don't know what this is. Went down 99.26%. Okay. 99.26%. Crazy. There was another one. It was not this one. Something else I looked at. It went down. So this is, a good buy. A pump from here to this level right here. At some point it'll pump at least to this level, then it goes down to hell. It's fine, but even to this level, imagine the pump to this level will be fantastic. Pump to this level will be a 7-8x, right? 7-8x. Siren, look at that. All the signs are telling that this might pump. I don't know what this is, but I looked it up on Twitter. Let's see, what is Siren? SI. $4 million market cap. That's it. $4 million market cap. Siren SI. I don't know what this is. I looked it up on, but where is it available? Okay, Bilexi, Uniswap, SushiSwap. So yeah, these are the only available avenues where you can buy this. $4 million market cap, nothing. when this thing pumps, I'm pretty sure 7-8x will come quick within days. When this thing starts to pump, 7 to 8x, it'll come within days, just few days. I'm bullish, man. Bull AF, okay? Bull as AF. Doesn't matter. Cody, hello Shrey. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you too. How are you, Cody? Cody's the only one with donations. I remember you, bro. Where was I? Okay, let's look at something else. Let's try to find a few gems. Low market cap gems. If I like a chart, I will, you know, do a thorough analysis. Something which is sitting around 300, 400 level on the coin market cap, which is not super low, but it's still decent, you know, because the ultra low market cap, and it should be available on KuCoin. If it's not available on KuCoin, very few people will be able to buy it. And people don't like to do Uniswap. And I personally don't like to do Uniswap or any swap. I don't like the MetaMask thing at all, you know. So if it's not on an exchange, I'm not interested. I could be losing, but hey, that's how it is. This was WazirX. WazirX is a Indian exchange. Has a lot of issues. Let's see, WazirX. WazirX. It was owned by Binance, but then they had some issues, so the deal fell apart or something. Looks like it could be getting ready for a huge cycle, man. WazirX. Look at that. It could be getting ready for a huge cycle like that. WazirX. Possible. When it'll start and how long it'll consolidate. Let's see. It can still go down, I feel. It can still go down. Usually when a long-term triangle is about to break out, it 95% of the time it breaks down, comes really close and then just breaks down like that. Okay, so be prepared if this thing, you know, at the end goes down before going up. It's possible. But a big cycle, looks like a big cycle would come eventually for WazirX. Let's look at the dollar chart for WazirX. The market cap looks low. It could be possible that the dump is done, bro, you know. Yeah, it's possible. This is a strong resistance, and if it didn't dip so far, it could have dumped to this level right here. But it's been holding, so it might not dump. We'll just finish the dump right here and go up from here. This is an exchange token, WazirX is an exchange, one of the biggest exchange in India. Well, 618 is coming out to $50, $55. Let's be conservative and go from this candle 3-day. Let's do a weekly. Be ultra conservative.
I'm losing the best of you. I'm drowning.
Being ultra conservative, it comes out to $30. That would be
I'm falling.
wow, a 100x, man. 100x right now sitting at 21 cents. Yeah, this could have a big cycle. This could have a big cycle. WazirX. You know, sometimes exchange shut down, so it's a risk, bro. You know, if it's just like an FTX, this shit comes back down and just keeps on going down like that. Okay, that's the worst case scenario. If this is a scam exchange and if it's going to shut down, this is what will happen. Okay, so as I said, it's the risk you take. These are companies. These are, you know, WazirX could shut down and, you know, this chart would just stop working from here. It would cancel out. Okay, not all cryptos are going to work. Not all cryptos are going to make a new all-time high. So you have to know the risk behind it as well, right? But if this has, you know, it's a good exchange, I think the exchange owners would have cash out at this point, would have made good money. So, you know, could be possible that now they have enough funds to sustain and go higher. Because India, you have to think, it's a 1.4 billion people live there. About 100 million people own cryptocurrencies in India. The laws are really strict right now for cryptos in India. But eventually, what is going to happen? They will flood the markets. Right now, they wanted to bring the market down. So, you know, crypto was suppressed all around the world, in Europe, in India, in Asia. Anywhere you go, people are having difficulty to buy crypto. But now, once they open the floodgates, everyone will be able to buy. What's going to happen? Right? So this exchange could do really well just because it's based in India. And it's a well-known exchange. So, yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Onion, maybe XEN. XEN is a good project. Posted on, again, on my Patreon, XEN. XEN or Zen? What was it? Zen? Or you're talking about Zen, right? ZEN? No, what is it called? XEN? XEN. Okay, this is the one, right? XEN crypto. Yeah, I don't have the chart for XEN on. We'll find it here. Problem is this crypto is not available on KuCoin. It sucks, man. I want to buy. I really love this project. This project was from this guy from Google. He was an engineer for Google, and he got into this. Thing is down 99%. This is not the right chart. XCN, correct chart. I think this is the full chart for XCN. Look, 99% 99.96%. Okay, look at that retracement, bro. When this thing explodes and it's deflationary, what happens is as the bull market kicks in, what's going to happen is to mint this token, it'll get expensive. So nobody will mint this token. Less and less. As Ethereum gets expensive, as the bull market kicks in, this token becomes deflationary because it won't be giving incentive for people to mine this. Right now people are mining and selling it. That's why it went down 99.96%. When this thing moves, guys, it's gonna skyrocket. 20-30x move will come, man. 20-30x move. Crazy. This project is called XEN. XEN. Will it go to zero or what before it goes up? It's crazy. Look at that. Look at that falling wedge. Perfect. Perfect falling wedge. Will it come and kiss this region? Come close to zero? Where is zero? Let's see. Still far from zero. Imagine, it's down 99.96%. Can't get any lower than that. How much lower will it be able to go? That's it, man. You know. Yeah, it went down 96%. That's it, man. David Perkins, ready for Zilliqa to go. Yeah, man. David, Zilliqa is gonna explode, bro. Zilliqa is going to explode. Zill's going to have a good cycle. I'm really excited about Zill. My bags are full. I'm holding a lot of Zilliqa. A lot of Zilliqa. I bought a lot here. Lot here. I went all in Zilliqa. So I'm excited. It's going to be fun to watch that green dildo next couple of days. You know, it'll be fun to watch Zilliqa. Huge candle. I expect it to go just like that. Like that. In a green color. Just like that. Imagine this was green. A fat one. Fat green candle. It looked like this on the chart. T-Fuel will become deflationary. Okay, let's look at T-Fuel in a while. T-Fuel. I have T-Fuel, but just a little bag. I never look at my Theta or T-Fuel. This is my long-term bag, so I put it. One of my biggest holding again is Theta. Huge bag of Theta. So Theta Fuel. I just don't like the setup, man, of T-Fuel right now. concerned about T-Fuel is this is the way to look at it, right? There's no other way to look at it. And this shows me the price going to $8, man, at some point. And $8 is a lot of money for T-Fuel. A lot of money. That'll be crazy if it goes to $8. That's, 100x, bro. 100x. But again, you have to be conservative. At some point, we were looking for $1. $3. I would be conservative just because I've been so fucked so hard. That's why I don't believe in the chart right now. I feel there's a possibility that T-Fuel might go down a little more, come to at least this level right here, because it never came down to kiss this level. This is a major level that it never came down to touch it, right? If it come and kissed it right here, from here, and then went up, then I would have not been worried about it. But just because it has never touched this level, that's the only reason I am bearish until now. But again, I could be wrong. This could go all the way, have a huge cycle, go all the way, have a huge cycle, do this, and then come back down to kiss this level. Never know. Okay, so all the signs are telling me that if this thing starts to pump from here, it could go to between $6 to $12. Between $6 to $12. T-Fuel just sounds ridiculous to me, but it's possible. It's possible, man. Anything in crypto is possible, but that's what it shows. Ned, SLP is ready to go soon. What do you think, Shrey? Yeah, I have a lot of SLP. I hope so, brother. Just because it hasn't pumped, it makes me nervous. It just makes me nervous. SLP makes me nervous. I have high conviction with SLP that it'll go to 2 cents at some point, 2 to 3 cents, at least 2 to 3 cents. It'll go at some point in the cycle. But is it now? Is it now, or do we have one more dump left? That's the only question. If it doesn't pump right now, right? Because that Bitcoin makes a $30,000, $37,000 move. We just have few days left. Few days, okay? If this thing doesn't pump, then Bitcoin goes to $30,000 or $37,000. It will squeeze the momentum from all altcoins. So we need to pump right away, or else it's going to squeeze all the momentum from these altcoins. And what's going to happen? We are going to create another lower low like that. So we need to pump right now, or else, I'm mentally prepared that, okay, it's possible that if it doesn't pump and Bitcoin starts moving up higher, because right now Bitcoin is jerking around in this level. So until Bitcoin is jerking around, it's really good for altcoins. It gives the ability for altcoins to pump. Until BTC, you don't want BTC to pump right away. Trust me, you don't want. You want money from BTC to go into alts, while Bitcoin jerks us around in this range. I really hope that it just keeps on jerking us around for another week or 2 weeks, in this range, goes up gradually. So this is where the money will flow into alt, when this goes up and down like that. Right, this is when money will be flowing into alts as the dominance of altcoins starts to go up, because at some point Bitcoin will need that full energy to blast through that $30,000 mark, right, and go to that $33,000, $35,000 mark. When that happens, the altcoins will take a huge hit. So before that, the altcoin needs to pump, and if your altcoin hasn't pumped until then you know what's gonna happen, right? We just have to wait a little longer. So until that time, if your altcoin has not pumped, see, this is where I'm expecting SLP to go like that, this level. And this is when, once it reaches this level, this is where it'll start to consolidate. You know, it's consolidating, and Bitcoin goes to $37,000. Boom, big dump, right? It could come back to this level, right? So it has to pump to dump, or else what's going to happen? We get another lower low for SLP, and just have to wait a little longer. Eventually it'll pump, bro. You know, eventually it'll pump, but just have to have more patience. And the dump's going to be bad. Dump's going to be really bad. If it dumps from here, again, it's going to dump between 50 to 60%. If it dumps, right? 50 to 60% dump. Be mentally prepared that this might happen if we don't pump right away, right now. Okay? And I do think it'll pump to this level, and then we dump from there 30 to 40%, you know, reach this level. The wicks could go really high to, you know, 0.07, and then have a significant dump, 33, 35, 36%, maybe 40% dump, right? So that's what I expect. Okay, we'll see. We'll just have to wait and watch. It's very difficult. Right now, there's no point. This thing is down 99%. There's no point in trading or what's going to happen. If it goes down, it goes down. You know, you just have to chew the fact. I was like, fuck it, suck it. You know, suck it up and let it go down. But we will get this opportunity. Nothing goes down forever. This goes down. Say, for example, if this, I'll give you a bear scenario. It goes down here, right? Takes really slow time. Takes its time, makes another dump, and then it goes up straight up like that. You know, it'll go to 10 cents from there if it goes like that, like in very few days. When SLP pumps, if it drags on to this level, when it pumps, it'll go straight between 5 to 10 cents. Crazy. Right now, I'm just expecting these highs to be around 2-3 cents. Once it reaches that level, I'll know where do I stand. That is it gonna go to 8 cents or 10 cents? You know, we'll see depending on where crypto is, how far Bitcoin does. As time progresses, we will know. But yeah, next few days, very critical. Next week, very critical. We will know. This month itself, one of the most critical months in crypto is this month, this in March. Keep your eyes and ears open. Thanks for the update, bro. Anytime, bro. Smoke a little. I'm out. We've been live for a long time, right? About an hour. Okay. Let's see. We were trying to find a low cap gem, right? Let's do that. Let's go over low cap gems. I should see something that I have heard about, which is popular. Having a community is very important. This pirate chain is going to pump pretty good. ARRR. I think pirate chain, long time ago I looked at pirate chain. What is the market cap of pirate chain? 83 million. I remember somebody from Australia. I think it was Scott. Scott told me about pirate chain. very close to the dump being over for Pirate Chain. Yeah, this is it, man. This thing's gonna moon. It'll go at least to its all-time high. Come close to its all-time high. That is $15. You know, look at that. I'd say 35x. It'll come at least, you know, I think it might go make a new all-time high. Like that. Make a channel like that from here. Something like that. Make a channel. This looks bullish to me. I think it's done. Pirate Chain will start moving up soon. Could come back down, all the way back down. Like that. Let's even look lower market cap, really low market cap. Automata. I heard a lot about this coin. A lot of people are talking about Automata. ATA. Let's look at ATA. Relatively new crypto. 2021. % pump. How much did it dump? That's the question. Not happy with the dump, man. You know, this could jerk us around just like other cryptos, you know? Scary. Go to this level, come back down, consolidate here for a long time, and then take a big, huge dump. Something like that. So, yeah, I would not get into it. Just not done yet. Not done yet. This could possibly, you know, it will come back down to this level at some point. Go up and come back down. Make a strong level here before it goes down. What else? They showed us the launching date here. When was the crypto launched? It would be much easier so we know which one's a new coin, which one's an older coin. To look ultra low market cap like 10 million and so on. Let's look at Teller. Teller is a good competitor for Chainlink. That's the only oracle that I feel, you know, had some sort of ability to compete against Chainlink. Yeah, it's possible it may come back down to this level here. Come back down before it goes up. Yeah, Teller could have a big cycle, man. It could have a massive cycle, Teller. But when it usually comes back down, you could see Teller retrace to this level. Okay, a flash crash could leave, go to this level. Just keep that in mind for Teller. So this is Teller's chart against Bitcoin. Let's look at against dollar. This looks very bullish, man. Teller could have a huge cycle, bro. Huge. Look at that. Just huge retracement. Like that. $30x from here. Yeah, could come for this coin. Look at that, man. Yeah, 600 between 650 to $800. Between $650 to $800 for Teller. This looks bullish. It could consolidate here a little bit, before it goes up. Possible, as I said in the chart, usually when it's about to break out, it just, does this before it starts to move, right? But looks like Teller is going to have a good cycle, man. And it's going to come quick by the end of 2023 or 2024. First quarter of 2024, we could be hitting this level. Yep. That's crazy. Keep an eye on Teller. So far, this is the most bullish chart that I've seen. Yeah, this is good. How long we waste time here, that's the only thing. Let's see. Might have a few more, we might have some time to waste, until it just goes parabolic. Yeah, so there's a possibility it can go up to this level, $25, and come back down one more time for retracement to $13 before it goes up. But the $600 looks programmed for Teller. Okay, what's the market cap for Teller? Let's look at the market cap for Teller. $46 million market cap, not bad. The only, total supply, what is it, 2 million? 2.4 million total supply? Circulating supply, 2.4 million? Are you kidding me? So they're not gonna make any more? And everything's out there? What's the fully diluted market cap? Hold on. Let me look at this. Market diluted market cap 46 million. Circulating supply 1.7 million, and the total supply is 2.4. Okay. Robert Richards, Pirate Chain, I just can't put my money into meme coins. Samuel Sains, auction, $47 million market cap. Okay. Bitcoin Baijan, oh my God, Zil is going to move. Yeah, man, Zilliq is going to move. This is the only stream I never had to remind anyone to like the stream. Look at the likes. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. We're looking at Teller looks good, man. Teller looks good. 30x, man, it'll be amazing. Amazing. I cannot imagine 30x, bro. It just gets me goosebumps, you know, how life's gonna be beautiful. Even if I get 20x, you get out 10x, even 10x. Bro, my whole portfolio, if it 10x's right now, I get out. I only need one double. One double, bro. So I'm not gonna be greedy. The moment I get my 10x, I'm gonna be out. Out. No matter which coin it is, I'm gonna be out. And keep that money until I'm sure that I can, like, I have to be like 10,000% sure that something's gonna double. Then only I'll put the money. And that makes it 100x. Crazy. So, Raj, hey, how are you, Shrey? Hope everything is good. Good, man. Good. Every life is good. Every day God wakes me up. I don't have anything to complain. Everything in between is just entertainment, bro. Stress is entertainment. You know, joy is entertainment. Sex is entertainment. Everything in between. We are just here to live. Nothing else. There's no purpose to life. Just live. So, where was I? Make sure that my life is full of thrill. I don't want to live a dead life, you know. So that's why I'm into crypto. It just the rush, the kind of rush that you get, man. It's like going bungee jumping every day. Amazing. Oh, Dia. Dia is another low market cap, $43 million market cap. It's an oracle. Dia is going to have a good cycle too. Again, when Oracle season kicks in, this thing's going to do well. Dia. Look at that. Dia could pump, have a massive pump to this level. It will. It will try to break this level. This is a major level that it'll try to break. What would be good? Sometimes what happens is an asset comes close to that line and just tells you to fuck yourself and goes down, right? I hope it does not do this and breaks above this level, goes above, you know, comes to this level, at least this $1.82, and does a retest of this level. That'll confirm that we are good to go. The bull run is on. But this could happen, you know. It could come to $1.82, even possibly to $2.20 Dia, and come back down for a retest for $1. So yeah, man, this looks bullish. It looks Dia is ready to move up. We'll see. Hopefully this is a big resistance that Dia needs to cross 109. if we, it'll have some sort of resistance. I hope it just slices through it and goes to $2. Possibility. Again, a low market cap Oracle. Dia is a European project, I think. And at some point, I feel it's going to be between $16 to $22. Dia, $16 to $22 at some point. Right now, Dia is sitting at, what is it? 47 cents. Again, 30-40x for Dia. How much did it retrace? 95%? Well, it's okay, but not great. Yeah, if it dumps from here, bro, it's gonna be bad. Go back to 15 cents. That'll be bad. Tap. What's this guy's name? Ivan on Tech is talking a lot about Tap. TAP. XTP. Tap. Let's look at Tap. Oh, this is a different Tap. Tap. Whoa, look at that pump, man. Tap. Boy, oh boy. Look at that. Straight up. Many coins are going to do that. I think this was the coin that I was looking at, which went down 99.65% or something like that. 99.94% down. Can you believe that? Look at that, guys. 99.94%. Look at that pump, man. Magnificent. I am so happy for people who are in it. God bless you, man. This is life-changing. That pump, look at that. You're broke as fuck, and you wake up in how many days? You wake up in 15 days. You have 100x your money. 100x, bro. That is life-changing. 100x. Oh my God. Blessed. People will be blessed. Look at that. It did 100x, bro. 11,000% in 15 days. Tap. But yeah, I don't know how the dump is gonna be. It's probably will come back down. At least could come back down to this level, right? Yeah, possibly. So it could dump to this level. 79, at least 75% dump. 70 to 75% dump is possible for this level. Hopefully, I hope it doesn't come to kiss this level, but at least 75% dump is possible. Okay, in this coin comes close to kiss this level right here, and just because you're waiting for it to dump to this level, it never comes back down and just goes up from here, right? What is this level? 0.00257. That's the level. But yeah, that is tap for you. How high can QNT Quant go in 2025? Bro, I have a video for Quant. Look that up. where I have a detailed quant analysis in which I said, can quant go to $10,000? I have a detailed analysis for quant. If you just type quant and behind that type Shray TV, that video should pop out. Bitrod, yo bro, first live stream here. How are you, Bitrod? Welcome, brother. Welcome. Yeah, we went over Bitcoin. I mentioned in this video that why I think Bitcoin is gonna move to between $35,000 to $37,000 very quickly. Because if it doesn't, then forget about the $100,000 Bitcoin. If like Kathy Wood says that Bitcoin is gonna go to $1 million, I don't know about that. But if Bitcoin ever is going to reach $100,000, then it has to move and break that $30,000 quickly. It has to make an aggressive move and break that $30,000 mark. If it doesn't in a short period of time, then it's dangerous. Then Bitcoin probably will be stuck into that $40,000 mark. It'll go up. It'll go up. I'm bullish. But then I would get bearish the moment Bitcoin hits. If it takes a long time to reach that $40,000 to $45,000 mark, then I become very bearish. Then it's possible that it might dip from $45,000 back to $10,000. Okay, it's possible. So that's why right now Bitcoin needs to show strength and move across that $30,000 mark pretty quickly. Okay, and I do think that Bitcoin is going to do that. Not only that, Bitcoin is going to hit between $49,000 to $50,000 in a very short period of time. When I say short, that means probably between May or August. Bitcoin B could be somewhere around $49,000 to $50,000. Quick swap. This is a Uniswap competitor, Quick Swap.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war. Win the war. Win the war. Win the war. Win the war.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
There are so many swaps. Which one's gonna be successful? Who knows, man.
Bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war.
I think it's built on Binance chain, right? Quick Swap. They should do something about the Ethereum gas fees, man. There is pump left. There's a lot of pump left. About 130, 150% pump left in this. Try to go hit this level, I think. Level it needs to hit is this. We might have some sort of consolidation. Quick swap might stop at another 90% pump. Could have a stop there, possibly, you know, if it's not ready. But if it breaks through it, then the wicks could go to this level, man, to $374, $374 or quick swap. And then it can come back down, consolidate. So keep an eye. Quick swap's gonna pump in next few days because it's not gonna stop here. Right now, quick swap is 94. Next stop for quick swap is a 90% pump to $180. Yep. And if we are able to break that, then we are looking at 371. Yeah. Quick swap, ladies and gentlemen. Looks good to me. Looks bullish. Bullish AF. Quick swap. 90% pump coming to you near. No, I didn't say it right. 90% pump coming near you. Have you taken a look at GMX before? Yes, I have. But let's take a look at GMX. Arthur Hayes is really bullish about GMX. I think this will be the time to get out of GMX. Yeah. I would get out of GMX right now. We're coming very close to getting out. Looks like it's gonna reach its top soon. Maybe another 50% move possible. It's reaching its all-time high. It's gonna make that all-time high and just gonna drag like a bitch. Could come to this level. All the bag holders left behind after that. Come back down gradually. Could retrace the whole freaking move. You know, before it goes back up. Yeah. I'll be careful at this level. If it's able to break that, then man, this thing's gonna moon like a motherfucker. Okay? If it's able to break this level, $125, it's gonna moon like a MF. Yeah, I would get really careful around $125 mark, man. Yeah, this thing's topping out. It's able to break this $125 mark. This is gonna moon really hard, but we'll see. Let's look at the Bitcoin GMX against Bitcoin. Yeah, man, I'm not liking it. It's possible that it might come back down. You know, make another high, just a little bit. You know, go up and then come back down to this level, all the way back down to this level, and consolidate for a long time before it goes mega pumps. Okay, so yeah, I'm not very bullish on it right now. Come back down to this level. Yep, it'll some point will come back down to this level right here. So whatever pump is there, it's gonna be all the gains will be given out. Sure, no problem, anytime. Okay, it's been an hour and a half, man. I've been live. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Okay? Thanks for staying. I hope you learned something. Wish you luck. I'm excited for what's coming. Next 6-7 months is going to be really exciting. Love it, man. I hope we're gonna be fucking millionaires, you know? Love it. 2024 is gonna be amazing. We're gonna rich as fuck. Rich motherfuckers.
You know I try to hold on to